Emma and Noah are neighbors who live in the same building. Emma lives on the 5th floor and Noah lives on the 7th floor. They meet in the elevator and start talking about their apartments.
Hey, Noah, I just realized we've been neighbors for months, but we've never really talked about our apartments.
You're right. I know you live on the 5th floor, right?
Yeah, and you live on the 7th floor, right? How's your apartment?
It's pretty nice. I have a one-bedroom apartment with a small balcony. It's not too big, but it's comfortable. What about yours?
Mine is a 2-bedroom apartment. It's not huge, but I love it because it has big windows with a great view of the city.
That sounds nice. Does your apartment have a balcony too?
No, I wish it did, but I have a small office space in my living room, which is great for working from home.
That's really useful. My apartment doesn't have an office space, but the kitchen is big, which I love because I enjoy cooking.
That's awesome. My kitchen is small, but it's enough for me. What furniture do you have in your apartment?
I have a sofa, a coffee table, and a TV in the living room. In my bedroom, I have a queen-size bed, a nightstand, and a dresser. What about you?
I have a sofa bed in the living room because sometimes my friends stay over. And in my bedroom, I have a double bed and a wardrobe instead of a dresser.
Nice! Do you have a dining area?
Yes, but it's really small. Just a table with 2 chairs. What about you?
My apartment has a bar-style counter with stools, so I don't have a separate dining table.
That's cool. It sounds modern. Do you have a laundry area inside your apartment?
No, unfortunately, I have to use the laundry room on the 1st floor. Do you have a washer and dryer in your apartment?
Nope. I use the laundry room too. It's not ideal, but at least it's in the building.
True! So, how much do you pay for rent?
I pay $1,800 per month because my apartment has 2 bedrooms. What about you?
Mine is a bit cheaper, $500 per month since it's only 1 bedroom.
That makes sense. But rent is so expensive in this city.
Yeah, tell me about it. Does your rent include utilities like electricity and water?
No, I have to pay for electricity, water, and internet separately. What about you?
Same here. My internet bill is around $60 per month, and my electricity varies depending on the season.
Yeah, in summer, the electricity bill is higher because of the air conditioning.
Exactly. But overall, I like living in this building. The location is great, and the neighborhood is safe.
I agree. Plus, the gym and rooftop terrace are nice perks.
Definitely. Maybe we should hang out sometime, your place or mine.
That sounds great. Let's plan a movie night one day.
I'm in. See you later, neighbor.
See you later, Noah.